Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Auburn Local and Long Distance. Movers Near Me, Auburn Local TM. Movers and other local movers are professionals, so they can handle your belongings with professionalism when hired to perform relocation for you. They are also experienced, so they know the city weekly enough to take the best routes and avoid many issues. They are also certified to operate as movers. You should resist the urge to perform local relocation by yourself. Get a well-rated mover to do it for you. Ask for recommendations from friends who have moved within Auburn, or find a mover in a directory and check their ratings and reviews online. The pros of working with lock movers outweigh the cons. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Auburn moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.